In a world full of internet celebrities, a small YouTube channel wants to rise and copy others because they already know all the things that one really needs. So just go out there and get inspired by someone else's stories and take a look at the techniques to understand how can they get all these juicy millions of subscribers. Follow a journey where being told by your parents, your grandma or someone else in the family that you can fix stuff just by having lots of tabs in the computer and knowing to use Google has made you into a real hacker man. Now that you've decided you want to make websites, it's time to actually dive into learning it and to understand how such a seamlessly small website actually costs. Holy crap. I mean, really? That's way too much. Just for all this, I can do it. Let's go and understand what programming languages they actually use here. Oh. Which one should I use? Really? Now, let's go and see the best programming languages out there. Python, JavaScript, Rust. What is Rust? Go, Swift, Kotlin, C++, TypeScript, JavaScript, F. Okay. Now that you've chosen your programming language, make room for your passions. Now invest into your future with books that are motivational enough to not make you start actual programming, and invest into not splitting the difference or how not to be wrong or other books that are totally not programming. Oh yeah. Then buy an actual book of programming. Read through it. Do not understand anything. Get desperate. Then just give up. This may be a shitty book. Let's find something else to read. Maybe there's some other programming language I can do. Okay, let's see what we got here. There may be something else. Wait a minute. Yes, this one. This. Nope. Nothing. Okay, let's see. I have all these ideas about an application I want to do, but yeah, but all these books are not enough. I do not have the right information from these books. What? That's not even programming. Come on. How? Oh, right. I just watch videos, tons of videos, and not do actual programming. Yes, CSS, yeah, of course. JavaScript, yeah, let's do some JavaScript. Then after we've done all these resources and we're not able to understand what the heck are we doing, let's just grab some random code and copy someone else's code and see what's actually inside. Why it isn't working? Choose your new browser. There are many options out there, but you can go with the safe version and get Firefox if you're privacy concerned. Also, if you're privacy concerned, go on DuckDuckGo and it will be your new best web browser. So, if you don't know where to get Firefox, look for Notepad if you're on Windows, and this will be our best code editor ever. And you know why it's the best? Yes, even they know why they're best. Or you can go with something with a bit of a learning curve and get the best stuff. For starters, invest a little time, and you invest a little time. After this, prepare to dive into the Linux community and show every one of your friends that you know that there are more than 2 operating systems out there, not only Mac or Windows, and you can actually create your own. Get inspired a little more, then understand that it's not the right solution for your websites, for your niche, and then you decide to go on Dribble to get some fresh ideas, some fresh cut ideas. If you cannot find something interesting here, maybe because some of them want actual money for this, you can go on Pinterest or somewhere else and just see how they're doing stuff and then code it yourself. The same is going for awards, for award-winning website design, for your award-winning ideas. Then what's your niche? You have to find your niche. You have to choose your programming languages, your programming stack, and once you've decided that, you can finally go and choose what kind of products you want to put out. Do you want to make a website? Do you want to make an e-commerce? Do you want to make a blog? Or what else? In the meantime, you look at the website, such a clean design. Oh yeah, just look at it. You want to make websites like this, but then you go and inspect all the code here, all the website code, and understand that there is a lot more to learn before you can actually start. So what the hell is this? I don't know why I have this stuff open. Okay, as for vintage stuff, we already know that vintage stuff sells. People will still pay lots of cash for this. So to get in our journey for vintage websites, we can go the safe way and